That is pretty special, man. That is pretty damn special.
You did that on purpose, Theo. Did you scare her?
She had a little bit of a twitch, yeah. I seen her getting closer and closer. I thought, I'm going to roll back a bit.
Oh, God.
We had this discussion the last time she could move her.
You were supposed to wait. You can go back now. I didn't care. Go back. Not
He'll
bothered.
have to, 'cause we've got-
He'll have to.
Yeah,
He should have waited.
behind us, so he'll have to go back.
He thought about it,
Yeah.
and then he decided not to. So that's his fault
The
now.
white one's got to move back, and the next one
We
got to
got
move
too many
back.
behind us, so they got fun and we didn't.
I'm not going to get mad though. I've been told I got to chill and I'm not allowed to get stressed.
Oh well, you didn't get stressed.
I didn't get stressed. I'm very calm.
Yeah. Say thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Very calm, wasn't it? That was
Yeah,
super
I'm
calm.
proud of you.
Yeah, good.
Well,
Asshole. No, denied.
Rejected.
Denied. You had a load of time to get in the right lane. You still messed up.
Always remember, when driving a German whip, indication is always a sign that the other driver is self-entitled and thinks indicators give them priority. Audi. Automotive ulcer devoid of intelligence. Also known as a prick.
Because she wanted to stay in the outside lane for as long as possible for God knows what reason, and then decides she wants to come back over when it's convenient for her, instead of doing what a normal person would do and come over to this lane. And then she beeped at me because I got fed up waiting for her to come over, and then beep!
What?
I missed after that, but I just seen the tail end of it whip round that corner. He must have jumped on the path and went round all the cars. Sat there texting. Do you see that? You wouldn't have been able to see that, no way. But you have to believe me. Silly bitch was sat there texting. Don't text and drive, you bunch of monkeys. People not realise how much a fine is. You get like a fine and you get points, and people still do it. Are they like stupid? Is there something wrong with people? Are you being serious, man? You just drove through the puddle? It's a bit of water on the road. It's not even that deep. People really scared of fucking puddles.
I think so. Just beat your arm next time.
No! And look out your window and shout special.
Special!
Say Audiot.
Audia!
Yeah, thank you. Are we not going to indicate today then, no? We're just going to stop in the middle of the road and just let everyone guess what your plan is? Yeah, that's what I thought as well. Say special, baby girl!
Special!
Thank you. You got to say special snowflake, because then I get an excuse to put my merch on screen. Say special snowflake!
Special snowflake!
Yeah! Make no attempt to speed up over, you monkey. I love the people that just stare at you and then pull out anyway. It's like, why have you done that, man? You know you're being a knobhead, so why bother? We're going to call this one extra special because that is extra special. There's a crossing. There's double yellow lines. It's on a corner. Wow. Wow. So you just say wow. Wow. Go on. Wow.
No.
Please?
No.
Please, I really need you to say wow. But it was like a Range Rover, so they're like pretty self-entitled, so they're allowed to do things like that.
Can you just tell us special?
No, they're not special. That's beyond special, that is. Oh, for fuck's sake, man.
Why did she do that?
Because she is very, 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 extremely, like, super special beyond words. Why else would you do that?
Yeah, so I'm asking, why would you do that?
Very special, Alexi.
What the hell, man? What a twat. Cyclists!
They started on them freaky little freaks. Mary had a little ba 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 ba.
Stop!
Ba ba ba. You're angry, aren't you?
Stop it. Mary had a little sheep.
Ba 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 ba. Oh, that's a bus stop, by the way. Ba 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 ba.
Stop it!
Moo moo moo.
Stop it!
Moo moo moo.
Stop it! Pet!
Oh, that poor car. It's got 2 dents on the boot, a dent on the back door, a dent on the side, and a dent on the bonnet.
Poor little car.
Oh no, the poor little car. Oh no, look at the state of it. That's hideous, man. How'd you get it in that bad of a condition?
Dad, what colour was it?
Blue. Here's a question. That cyclist and double white lines, okay? That technically wasn't allowed. I know if you're going under 10 miles an hour or someone stopped, that's different. But that cyclist is going pretty damn quick. I don't think you should be teaching your learner to overtake in that situation. Let me know in the comments. There are many different ways of interpreting it and everyone has their opinion. What's yours? I need to know. It'll be nice to know. Especially considering like a few meters ahead, the double white lines were gone and you could do it properly. So let me know your thoughts. I'm interested. I've noticed like this weird, like a proper weird pattern in cars like that. It's never ever just one little bobbly head toy, is it? It's never just one or two. There's always hundreds of them. Does anybody know why that is? They must go to the shop and be like, oh, that looks cool. I like a little bobbly head figure in my car. I'll get 100 of the things.
So before we end today's video, can we just take a moment to educate ourselves and remind everyone that using a phone while driving is illegal. You may think it's okay to compose a quick message while waiting at a junction. There's no other cars around. I'm just going to quickly reply to this text. Or maybe my phone's stuck to the window. I only need one hand. I can still see what's in front of me. Or my personal favourite, the light just changed red. Let me take a quick selfie for Instagram. Don't use your phone while driving, you dickhead.
Oh, Alexi, we got the perfect opportunity.
Oh, look at that.
Look at the number plate as well. Oh,
What?
see it. You.
Yeah.
See it, man. See it.
You dirty bitch!
Growling. Dirty. Dirty bitch. Oh, we're never going to get a moment like that again, are we?
You're not, no!
Oh, that was just golden.